So the leg is installed, the leg or the post, I mean, it's bolted. A little bit of a mess of silicone outside. I will deal with that later. But now I need to adjust every post because this one is at 26 and 7/8. This one is at 24 and a half. This one is at 24 and this one is at 25 and 1/8. So I need them to be obviously the same length when it is fully cranked up. I will try to adjust them all at the same height as this one, because if I lower this corner, the tarp will be loose and I will lose head space. So now that this corner is fixed, I will try to adjust them by ear, moving one hook or one cable at a time. Try to reach the same height as this one. Let's see. I gain about 1/8 only. I'm now at 25 and 3/8, so I will lower the other corner, which is what wire it is. It is the top right here. So this one, I will lower this one a bit. I need to rise 1/2 inch. The one down here, I don't know how I will reach that, but I'll do my best. How much I got? It's at the maximum. I can't give any more. So I have 25. So now I'm pretty close. It's only 1/4 and I'm at the maximum here, so I cannot give it anymore. So I have 1/4 inch from the rear to this post, a little lower. It's better than 1 inch, the 1 inch of earlier. Now it's this one. This one I have a lot. If I need to move it a lot, I have, but not a lot, but at least 3/8. But I need to go 1 inch higher, so I need to rise 1 inch. But here it is, this rod. No, I don't have plenty. Is this one I'd like? Yeah, it's this one. Yeah. So I have plenty to move, so it will help. So let's crank this up. So I will release the tension because it's too hard. Now it will be easier here. This is the one. I will go down completely so I don't have any tension at all. first. It's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to. I was cranking the thing and it's hooked up in the middle of the. That's why I had trouble. I will crank it down a bit. That's why I wasn't able to go. I will not get in place because I'm pretty sure it needs to be at the maximum. I will crank it up again, see how it works. Or there we go. So now I am at 25.5 everywhere, apart from this one where I'm 25 and 3/8. So 1/8. It's not a big deal. So it's pretty much level now. Everything is adjusted. I can now fix my tarp more permanently. Now that this corner is built, I can now establish where I will install my jack and install it permanently. There's only one thing I'm not sure about installing the jack, is that I will install 35 inches tire on my truck, and I still don't know how much they will stick out of my fender flare, if they stick out at all. But if they are sticking out of the fender flares, I don't want to install a jack and having to remove them and reinstalling a little wider later because my tire are too wide. So I think I will wait to install my 35 inches tire on the truck before adjusting permanently the jacks on both sides, so at least I will not have to move them after they will be installed. So this is it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you will receive a notification as soon as I will release another video on my camper build or renovation. On this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.